James Armistead, Lafayette's the name. Winning the American Revolution, that's my game. I was an African-American spy during the war, reporting to General Lafayette what I heard and saw. I'm the original 007. Let me tell him I ruined the enemy's plans, made him pray to heaven. As a waiter undercover, discovered enemy secrets. I'm a real American patriot. The name's J-A-M-E-S-A-R-M-I-S-T-A-D, Lafayette. The name's J-A-M-E-S-A-R-M-I-S-T-A-D, Lafayette. I keep my head low undercover like I'm doing a dab. When the enemy ain't looking, that's when I go for the nab. I was the CIA and the FBI long before that Bond guy learned how to spy. What's this? Cornwallis wants 10,000 men, Mo? Well, no go, bro, we block the boats like Lego. Y'all already know Washington, Jefferson, and Jewett. Here's another name you'll never forget. The name's J-A-M-E-S-A-R-M-I-S-T-A-D, Lafayette. The name's J-A-M-E-S-A-R-M-I-S-T-A-D, Lafayette.
Courteous every time that I swaggered in.
The name's Bass Reeves. I'm out to nab these criminals. I'm putting the community at ease. Caught crooks by the grand, swaggered up like a mouse. Villains violating the law, get ready to get caught. Yeah. The name's Bass Reeves. I'm always packing heat, but I only use my pistols when I need to keep the peace. Master of disguise, hid from villainous eyes. Outwitting the outlaws, how I'm nabbing the bad guys. To apprehend 2 men, I once posed as a beggar. Very few black people and especially women ever flew. Daredevil, ice in the veins. She was cold, man. Black female aviator, rare. Was cold, man. High flying, brave and driven. A wonder, whoa, man. Stunting from way up in the sky, like whoa, man. Daredevil, ice in the veins. She was cold, man. Black female aviator, rare. Was cold, man. High flying, brave and driven. A wonder, whoa, man. Stunting from way up in the sky, like whoa, man. Specializing in aerial tricks and parachute in 20 in a box out of the VA to Philadelphia where they about slavery. Henry Box Brown, yeah, that's what they call me now. Had to mail myself in the box just to get to freedom. I was desperate, y'all, never tried this at home, but Henry Brown did it to escape the plantation. Henry Box Brown, yeah, I'm on the road now, escaping from the box I was originally in. As a magician, became an inspiration, but Henry Brown did it to escape the plantation. A free black man at my church helped me hatch a plan along with the shop.